Hi, how are you doing today? You can see here I'm going to paint a nice scenery. So this is a wooden canvas, so single piece of wood, and I'm going to paint the acrylic color. Let's take the pink color and do the branches of the trees. So there will be a tree in this side. Okay, so as you can see that the leaves are of pink color, and there's the flavor of the springtime, and the color is done. Okay, now I'm going to take the yellow color and putting on the top side or the upper side here. So as you know, this drawing is going to be a very simple and easy drawing. So on the top portion, let's put some yellow color, so each branch have the same color combinations. Okay, you can see that the three branches, this is getting right, visibly right. So few dots we are just putting in the bottom just to define the ground level. Okay, so just put the brush strokes here and do like this one. So you can see that the few you can see the upward direction, the few color combinations is defining the grasses here. Okay, so we are just putting all the colors in effect. Awesome. So these are the styles of the brush strokes that each painter has their own style. Now I'm going to take a different types of brush and just doing the color. All right, so for the branches of the tree I'm going to take a different color which is mostly similar with the wooden color, so that's why I'm taking the wooden color. All right, so putting the branches here. Okay. All right, and the branch coming up from here, one branch coming up from the top. Awesome. Another one is going this way. All right, so very simple tree, you can see, very simple, very nice, easy, so nothing's complicated, and the scenery is going to be a nice one. All right, and for the fence just put one line here, and another line on top. Okay, and put some vertical elements like this. Okay, so as simple as that. All right, so the remaining color we're just putting on the ground to define the variations of the ground color formations. So you know the ground has lots of different colors. Okay, now as you can see that the background is dark, so the front line or the pictures that is also dark. In this case we have to make it a brighter tone, color tone. That's why we are going to add the white color on the surface areas which are we're just painting here. But before that one, we're just going to put a moon here in the sky. Okay, when we put the moon, we just try to make it as round as possible. All right, moon here, and just trying to draw a bird. So we're just painting a shape, symbolic shape of the birds which is flying, you can see, and another one. Okay, all right, so two birds, and you can see the third one, there's going to be a little smaller because it's on the farther distance. So as the distance increases, the size decreases. There's the rules of the perspective. And for the branches of the tree, we're just putting the shades on one side only. So you can see the shades here. Okay, and also another shade for this branch. Okay, something looks like the alphabet letter Y shape. Okay, all right. And we're going to highlight the fence here. So on the top portion we're just putting the white color just to highlight the fence. Okay, and one side here. So that's becoming the visibly perfect. Okay, so that's a simple drawing, just putting few strips and the grasses, like a brighter grasses at the bottom of the trees. All right, and still we have some times, so the simple drawing, very simple night life. If you like, you can just put some stars with the few dots in the sky, just putting the dots here which looks like the stars around the moon. Okay, and some bright color just putting on the periphery. Okay, and some color in the ground too. All right, now let's have a look. The drawing is complete. We're just having a nice color, nice night sky scenery, and it's done on the wooden frame with the acrylic color. So we hope it's almost permanent, nothing's going to be damaged. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.